So it's a very nice message. Thank you for accepting the gift.
I don't really know what's in here, so I'm a bit nervous.
It's like so nice, you don't want to rip it.
So this is like a gift, opening a gift. Wow.
Okay, so it's a box. Yes, a box. When you open it up, it says the Quran is the word of the ever-living God.
It has been sent down to guide humanity for all times to come. SubhanAllah. So true.
The translation in English is much easier to understand as well as comprehend.
Scientific miracles, women in Islam, how do I become a Muslim?
The way things that are explained isn't hard. So like some things that you read, you feel like it's in Shakespeare language, but this, like, it's very easy.
If you're interested in reading the Quran, then I think this would be the way to go.
If you're searching for contentment, if you're looking for the answers to anything you need, it's right here in this book.
Please make sure you get one of those books. It's free, and you can just order one from Project Quran.
So do reach out to projectquran.com.au and order your free copy today.